Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, going over my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the SPY. Again, we have jobs reports coming out tomorrow, 1 hour before market open. Again, sitting on consolidation after a gap up from CPI. Are we going to continue on with this momentum, or are we going to have a pullback, possibly retest our 20 to possibly look for that continuation? I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue. Now, before I jump into this, if you guys can do me a huge favor, smash that like button if you find this video useful at all. Hit subscribe if you want to see my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the market every single day. We go over candle structure, overall strength levels, and any key indicators that we need to be focused on. And again, if you are a day trader or you are looking for very volatile breakouts that we mention every single day in the Instables, and again, we mention any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, I just wanted to recap on exactly what we're leading into tomorrow. Again, jobs reports coming out 1 hour before market open. But again, bad news is good data. Again, looking for bad jobs reports. As Jerome Powell, again, mentioned a couple months ago that he's very much looking for that increase in unemployment and that decrease in CPI. We got our decrease in CPI, which gave us this momentum. Again, we have been sitting on anticipation of a possible Fed pivot again from Tim Moroso a couple weeks ago, mentioning this possible Fed pivot. And as you guys can see, we have been anticipating that possible Fed pivot here. Now looking to see if we continue on with this strength. As you guys can see here on our candle structure, again, sitting on consolidation, again, just consolidating within our range here after a gap up. Again, mentioning if we do drop down below our gap up point here, which is exactly where we are testing here at 395, looking to see if we do continue on below it for that possible room to the downside. But however, as you guys can see, we don't have exactly a ton of room to the downside, so that would be a possible intraday play. In my opinion, that would be very much predicated on if jobs reports came out higher than expected, which would give us a pullback in the market. However, if jobs reports are worse than expected, then we could have a spike and possible rejection here at the upper end of our channel. So in my opinion, very much looking for a better candle setup from here. If we are going to continue on higher, I want to see a bullish candle setup above our channel here to see if we are going to continue on higher. If we're going to continue on lower on a better candle setup, then in my opinion, that would be just below our 20 and dropping below our 20 with our 20-day, curling back over and then dropping below our 50 for that confirmation on that continuation on lower. However, as you guys can see, looking at our buy pressure and how much strength we have, again, we have been mentioning throughout the last 6 months, 4 months or so. Again, we had the largest rally of the year that we've been mentioning when we had our EMA lines jumping above the median or MACD. We now have our EMA lines jumping above the median or MACD. So we have been getting a nice rally and getting a lot of strength here, sitting a little overextended as we are sitting on lower amounts of buy pressure than we did prior. However, as you guys can see, we have been increasing in buy pressure, now sitting on a white shaded line to see if we do continue on with strength. After tomorrow's jobs report, we'll see exactly how the market digests. If we continue with this decrease in buy pressure going into tomorrow, we get another white shaded line, then we will be careful, especially if our EMA lines start to curl down. That could be that cool down after our rally. And again, we're going to look for a better setup to the upside if that does happen. And as far as if we have room to run to the upside, again, we are not overbought here. So again, technically, we still have room to run to the upside. We are looking to see if we can break into higher highs still, to see if we can continue on higher into overbought territory. At this point in time, we are pointing down. We did not break above our prior high here, as you guys can see, dropping into lower highs here. So again, making sure we are careful, not getting any major cool down from a nice rally that we have been getting. The last thing we want is for our 20-day, again, our yellow line dropping below our 50 like we had prior. Again, we got a rejection on the upper end of our channel prior. We're looking to see if we continue on with this rejection as we have been. Again, we got a few rejections on the upper end of our channel, making sure that we do not get that rejection. Just looking to see if we do get that bullish candle set up above the upper end of our channel, or going into tomorrow, if we do not get that decrease in employment, then we could have that possible pullback here, and we will see if we do hold our 20 from there, or if we do get a bullish candle set up off of our 20 for a clean breakout, breaking above our channel here. That would be the ultimate setup that we were looking for. Again, looking to see if we do get that bullish candle set up bouncing off of our 20 here would be that clean breakout. So we'll see exactly what happens. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for very volatile breakouts, we mention them every single day in the Instables room. Any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day is our #1 priority to get the most consistent breakouts in front of you every single day. Anything that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instables that come over and support the channel, again, just take with the market, just decent breakouts today, not as good as yesterday or Monday. However, again, leading into jobs reports tomorrow, we'll see exactly what the market gives us if we do get that decrease in unemployment to possibly continue on higher, or if we do get that increase in employment, possibly cool off markets. We'll see exactly what happens. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.